In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use Instagram's newest collabs feature. Alright, Instagram has just released their newest feature on their app, which is called Instagram Collabs. If you're interested in knowing how to use that feature, you've come to the right video. Alright, this is basically the same process as to uploading content over here. Head on over to your profile and click on the plus icon over here and then add let's say, a story, a reel, a video reel edit. That'll do. And of course, once you're here, you would like to let's do a sample video. Let's just click on record over here. Hello, this is a test recording for Instagram collabs. Alright, and then we'll click on. Of course, I'm not showing my video over here. Let's just click on stop and click on preview. Click on next. Alright, over here, there is just some warnings. Click on don't allow. Alright, once you're over here, you could just click on the tag people option. And then right here, it has the option to invite a collaborator. Head on over to click on add collaborator. And then search for a person you would like to add as a collaborator. For this video, let's just add our other account. Alright, we have added our other account as a collaborator. Once that's done, click on done and then click on share. Alright, once you've done this, head on over to your other account where you've added a collaborator. Of course, this won't automatically add that person as a collaborator. You just have to go on to the other account, or rather to the other account over here, and then check on the messages of this account. And then you should see that a request from this guy to add this account as a collaborator. Click on view request, click on review once more, and then click on accept for you to be invited as a collaborator. Okay, now that's done. And then you could actually enjoy the features of Instagram as a collaborator. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.